Welcome back to Spanish class. Today we're learning something super practical, how to shop in Spanish. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to buy things, ask prices, negotiate, and complete real shopping transactions in any Spanish-speaking country. This is real-world Spanish you can use immediately. Why is shopping vocabulary so important? Because it's one of the first things you'll do when traveling. Whether you're at a market, a store, or a restaurant, you need to know how to ask for things, understand prices, and make purchases. This lesson gives you everything you need to shop confidently. Now, I know shopping conversations can seem intimidating. What if you don't understand the price? What if they speak too fast? Don't worry. I'm going to give you exact phrases that work in every situation. By the end, you'll be shopping like a local. Ready? Vamos de compras. Let's go shopping. All right, let's start with the most important question in any store. How much does this cost? This is your most important phrase. How much does this cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? ¿Cuánto means how much, cuesta means it costs, esto means this. How much do these cost? Plural. ¿Cuánto cuestan estos? ¿Cuánto cuestan estos? To answer, the seller might say, it costs 10 euros. Cuesta 10 euros. Cuesta 10 euros. They cost 15 euros. Cuestan 15 euros. Cuestan 15 euros. Now, how to ask for something politely. I would like. Quisiera. Quisiera. This is super polite and commonly used. I would like this. Quisiera esto. Quisiera esto. I would like that. Quisiera eso. Quisiera eso. Do you have? Do you have coffee? ¿Tiene café? How to ask for quantities. I would like 2, please. Quisiera 2, por favor. Quisiera 2, por favor. I would like a kilo of apples. Quisiera 1 kilo de manzanas. Quisiera 1 kilo de manzanas. Sizes are important for clothing. What size is this? ¿Qué talla es esto? ¿Qué talla es esto? Talla means size for clothing. Do you have this in size medium? ¿Tiene esto en talla mediana? ¿Tiene esto en talla mediana? Small, medium, large. Pequeña, mediana, grande. Pequeña, mediana, grande. Colors are useful too. Do you have this in blue? ¿Tiene esto en azul? ¿Tiene esto en azul? In black, in white, in red. En negro, en blanco, en rojo. En negro, en blanco, en rojo. Can I try this on? Important for clothes. Can I try this on? ¿Puedo probarme esto? Negotiating prices, very common in markets. That's too expensive. Es muy caro. Es muy caro. Caro means expensive. This phrase shows you want a better price. Can you give me a discount? ¿Me puede hacer un descuento? ¿Me puede hacer un descuento? Or more directly, is this the best price? ¿Es el mejor precio? ¿Es el mejor precio? Payment phrases you need. Where do I pay? ¿Dónde pago? ¿Dónde pago? Can I pay with card? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? I'll pay cash. Pago en efectivo. Pago en efectivo. Do you accept credit cards? ¿Aceptan tarjetas de crédito? ¿Aceptan tarjetas de crédito? Pro tip: in many Spanish markets, cash gets you better prices. What if something is wrong? Here are essential phrases. This doesn't work. Esto no funciona. Esto no funciona. This is broken. Esto está roto. Esto está roto. This is too small. Esto es demasiado pequeño. Esto es demasiado pequeño. This is too big. Esto es demasiado grande. Esto es demasiado grande. Can I return this? ¿Puedo devolver esto? ¿Puedo devolver esto? Can I exchange this? ¿Puedo cambiar esto? ¿Puedo cambiar esto? Do you have the receipt? They might ask this. Do you have the receipt? ¿Tiene el recibo? ¿Tiene el recibo? I need a receipt. Necesito un recibo. Necesito un recibo. Common mistake alert. Students say quiero instead of quisiera. Quisiera is more polite. Always use it when shopping. Let's practice a complete shopping conversation. Hello, good morning. Hola, buenos días. Hola, buenos días. Can I help you? The seller asks. ¿Le puedo ayudar? ¿Le puedo ayudar? Yes, I would like a shirt. Sí, quisiera una camisa. Sí, quisiera una camisa. What size? ¿Qué talla? ¿Qué talla? Medium, please. Do you have it in blue? Mediana, por favor. ¿La tiene en azul? Mediana, por favor. ¿La tiene en azul? Yes, here it is. It costs 20 euros. Sí, aquí está. Cuesta 20 euros. Sí, aquí está. Cuesta 20 euros. Can I try it on? ¿Puedo probármela? ¿Puedo probármela? Of course, the fitting room is over there. Claro, el probador está allá. Claro, el probador está allá. Perfect, I'll take it. Can I pay with card? Perfecto, me la llevo. ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? Perfecto, me la llevo. ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? All right, let's recap everything. Today you learned how to shop in Spanish. The essential question, ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? How much does this cost? How to ask politely, Quisiera, I would like. How to ask if they have something, ¿Tiene esto? Sizes and colors, talla mediana en azul. Oh, you learned negotiating phrases. Es muy caro, ¿me puede hacer un descuento? Payment options, pago con tarjeta or pago en efectivo. And what to do if something's wrong. ¿Puedo devolver esto? ¿Puedo cambiar esto? You even practiced the complete shopping conversation from greeting to payment. Look at what you can do now. You can shop anywhere in the Spanish-speaking world. Markets, stores, restaurants. You have all the phrases you need. You can ask prices, negotiate, pay, and even return things. This is real, practical Spanish. Your homework. Go to a Spanish store or market, even online. Practice saying the phrases out loud. Imagine buying something and practice the whole conversation. Comment below what you bought in Spanish. Next class, we're learning Spanish for directions, how to ask for and give directions so you never get lost. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Excellent work. Feliz compra.